one spirit, one goal, EGC as one. Walang iwanan at walang natitirang hindi palaban. Thank you!
Colors explode like the 4th of July. Summertime glow got me feeling alright. We know, let's go. The sun is calling.
Ang purpose natin kaya nandito tayo is to have a better 2024. Mabawi natin ano yung mga nawala sa atin, and para mangyari yon, we have to align. Kailangan iisa lang tayo ng goal, iisa tayo ng adhikain para matupad yung ating gustong mangyaring success.
This is the good life. Soak in the good life.
Kailangan kasi na pagalitan ka, i-push ka, kasi doon ka huhugot na para ma-encourage ka na laban.
'Cause everything's alright.
One spirit, one goal, EGC as one!
Can we use love? Because we love what we do. We love to be here. We're happy with the work that we do. We believe in the kind of work that we can provide. Can we just simply love our job and want to stay here for that same reason?
This is the good life.
Well, hindi ko naman ma-achieve lahat ng to kundi dahil sa team. Talagang pag kulang kami ng isa, pilay talaga yung shop. So kailangan talaga ng sama-sama talaga to.
'Cause everything's alright.
Hello, my name is Tin Garcia. I'm the operating manager of Good Life Medical and Peridots. Ang pinakamaganda na nagustuhan ko dito sa EGC ay hindi kami isang kumpanya, isa kaming pamilya. Pag uwi namin galing trabaho, papunta sa bahay, halos kami-kami na rin yung magkakaibigan.
The road to success is not a straight line, but what you can do is don't stop moving. It's true. You can rest, but never quit. And one day, those stars will align.
This is the good life.
Cut. Natawa ko. There's one thing na gusto kong ibahagi sa lahat. You should believe in yourself. There's a gold within you and you should let it out. Let it shine.
Ulitin mo ngayon. Gusto ko marinig ulit.
Hindi na po ako takot sa struggle.
Palakpakan naman natin.
Kalma na po, kalma.
Ano?
Kalma.
Kalma na. Basic na.
Yeah, this is the good life.
You will have your chance to be on top too. And one day, you will lead people also. You will also have people that will look up to you, and you will have to lead them. Be better than me. Do what you think is right. Love them and carry them to a better place.